Welcome back, chat. Wagwan, wagwan. We finally hit 1K subscriptors. Uno subscribe to me on YouTube. And the reason why me I do the vlogs them is because we need the watch hours so we could get paid. So yeah, we need those watch hours. So as a matter of fact, we are speaking it into existence. Uno watch odds. And don't make me have to tell you now again, you know. Watch the ads. Even though the ads not there right now, but we need it there on watch it. You see, watch it. So we are going to go wash some clothes. What I need? Come here. Get over here. You never reach. No, and could order 1,000,000 a year at a time, millions at a time. Of course, yes.
Me just realize, you know.
So chat, me download. Brawlhalla, you almost finished.
Me just realize, bro.
I play.
Sir, boy.
Sorry, I'm stuck your
You know, I'm stuck here,
You see me chat? So that me I don't know. We don't wash everything and product clothes on the line. We probably put one little clip right or so with the clothes on the line to show me say yes, that me got to control. Although you see me a river. You see, but yeah. You see that just a little clip. Remember, watch the ads! None of the day yet, but watch them see how we are. You know you want to refine it? Brother, be a breeze. Be a breeze me here in my phone and I can literally see three of them a dance up there. So I be a breeze up on the hillside. I be here. I say I saw that. Yeah. Although it will get cool very soon because we are probably get look rain to that again. So let's see how this goes. We're going on the road. Who me?
Yeah.
Yeah, me have. Yeah, two me have now, cause the next one done. No, me have 2 perfume and 2 spray on.
Yo, one thing with this liquid, you want them in their back, you know, they want them, you want them, for me, how you see how it.
The body splash one?
Whether they want it not until next year, you know?
But me fit. Let me tell you, I'm from last year, me have me with them.
Anybody who make them better than and they chunk too. Because when you go buy one, you still go down and look at the back and check. It's not, you know, yeah, brother, I have one from me, I work Sunday. From me, I work at a people and know that they don't learn, brother. Me love them type of kush today, no, don't, brother. Them type of kush but the accent they make up,
Done long time, man. But man, one spray a quarter I buckle that, you know. When you have axe, I use it, brother.
I love them, you know.
Them you know love because they extra sweet.
Yeah, I'm bad.
That if you do, yes? Then I must. I say, be them they used to buy, you know. Hacks. And at this point, they have whole heap of new flavor. You smell out the people them axe.
I'm praying for myself.
Then I must.
go there, what do you want me to buy something and this thing give me discount? Check this.
A style that, you know. Well, perfume up on your clothes and you ain't have none of your yard. You know, just go in a perfume shop, master, and get the dearest perfume. Say, make me see it, me smell it. I just spray a little. You don't even have to spray it on your clothes. You just spray a little in your hand, master, and just rub it on your clothes. Not true? Not true? Not true, chat? Alright. Just spray a little in your hand and just gone.
They give me discount.
Then you must get discount if you used to work there.
Yeah, you give me discount. So you know, I say, hey, just give me this. Yeah, thank you.
Okay. Then I must. But I'm not like say, bro, yeah, here's a troublemaker or anything for you. Goes, yeah.
Everybody knows that they love me gone to bed.
Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Oh, it's enough, man. Bumbo clad, enough, man. Right, I think, thanks. Let me catch you shot, man. In chat. Take some. And give me back the rest. Oi, don't you have vina? Oh. Right, chat, now want a peanut, then just take it from me, though. Chat, you go up on the streets. So, when we get certain part, me show no where we there. You see it? Go up on the road. Yeah. Bush. Someone around this trade. A choppy line. Literally. Because you have to choppy trading lines, them, you know. See here. So the ones who no place in charge of the reason our country is being run by tyrannical people who lack empathy. Them evil no be speak. Me kinda look scruffy now, but you don't know me soon. Line up already because I do me one thing though. When I reach out a bridge, which part then do some pretty little painting on the wall, on the bridge, and I go stop and video that show, you know, yeah. Soon forward. Boy! And that's when the feel is come in another day. I wonder what kind of fish come just on time. I will win me English arise. I get tougher than to them. I don't know if a house that are storage room or something. But my cousin said somebody live there. Tall, so a giant living in that because that past 7, 8, 10 feet, you know, bro. A mouse and giant living there. But I can't giant and they do away so little. Watch ya. And that's why the police then love pull over so you know Markex, man. Because because party man choose you overtake a while ago supposed to lick one away. You don't have no business a bumbo crowd. I know allow no still. Industry plants say stop litter these streets, stop dirty up Jamaica. You see me? You know tap and start flinging garbage in the people's yard. Because they have to clean it up. If somebody fly past in a vehicle and fling garbage in my yard, me have to clean it up because I don't want my yard for dirty. So that's what you do. I wonder if one grumpy old troll live under this bridge. No. I guess I walk a new bridge, that a new bridge over there, so I walk there when I come back out. I wonder if the one grumpy old troll live under the bridge. What are they not so deep, man? I mean, like, deep enough you can jump off for us and jump in it, but would I jump off for us?
You jump in it?
Yeah. Nothing wrong. Come here, water in this camera, it a jiggle so me hand now jiggle so you know. Jamaica. Stop. Jamaica. Stop. Stop sign? What stop sign?
Like in a slow down. Hold on, I'm gonna look on it.
That's rude.
But look on the 15 minutes time frame and it kind of slow down me like I go up in there.
Burn up the calories them. We almost reached the destination. Literally. Destination unknown. No. Remember that, yo? Yeah, man, that no more you would remember. You say you got lay no shot. Aye. Bumbukla. We reach your destination, yo. Dun. Okay, so we are leaving site now. We grab a cousin, grab me a D&G soda and me grab 3 pieces of grades. More technology, we live in a more technologically advanced world. Although we're not advanced as we might seem, you know. But soon though. Soon the technology where we are going to get here, going to feel like say, yo, we live in a sci-fi world. Even though I already feel that way there. Because that's how my existence feel. Like me get isekai in this bumbo clot. I don't lie. Yeah, but walking increase the endurance, man. You go for moms, no eat jelly back.
You can't come yet.
No. When me come go moms. You mama?
Tired.
She fi tired before me. She fi bust before me. If I race, mama fi come first. All the time. See painting there, but they must strip off now, man. Oh my god, man. The same thing over there, so chat. Oh, that shram sharp or some dull. Some dull that man. See, guys, it look pretty. They have to go on PT over back. Because the paint has stripped now. See how bridge we need up on the first chat. See you order there.
I want 10 years that done.
Mm-hmm.
Now little river, ah!
Hey boy, jump over there and go take you. Nothing can do you know, yeah, elastic man. Oh. They're slowing down? For what? Chat, you know what I'm saying? I sitting there one time, maybe I get pulled over by police, and they never did a drive either. Me did it, me and my little brother, is it? And we just don't collect some packages from Amazon or from the shipping place. Anyways, when you go so boom, exit the place and reach back on the road now, because we are going to look taxi and police that we see on the road, because something must be happen in a place. So then they patrol the place. Police stop me. So if you go in my bag, the same bag that me have for me. Then tell me if you go in there. Me fi open it as a matter of fact. Me open it and show him say nothing in there. Me tell him say yo, only thing me have in there is a spliff. You see me? Because of that me have in there for true. And blah blah. You know, dig up in the door and make me do it. Because it's the only thing me have for me. My side bag. You understand? And my brother really have nothing for me either. He just have the packages them. And then after that, he just make me go along about my business. Nothing too tough. Me comply. Is it? Remember say the police don't know me, you know. Me is a youth, we not come on road for spite our purpose in a chat. And this is just me ranting. You see it? Because we have to build up the watch hours them so we can get verified for the creator fund. Watch the ads. You see, we are speak it into existence. Watch the ads. Anyways, you know, me ain't get no trouble. And it is what it is. You see, but me did just find it strange for that being my first time getting pulled over by the cops. And I walk for me, I walk foot. Walk foot, you know. Chat. I want to see what I want to spam W Kilium in the chat, because if I name who wouldn't get this a nice travel vlog here, you know, because I basically travel vlog because we have to do it on the road I travel. You see, if I name for him. Because I bicycle, I did go jump on and jump and fly, come out and fly go back at my yard. And probably would have just one little piece of that get the video with a shot no bomba. So thank him. Said W Kilium in the chat. Keillium. W Kilium. You see me? Remember say if you do it right and like and subscribe, see you know. And then I said, I reach back at my yard obviously. But me I go switch around the camera real quick and make you see the scenery. Don't I river that? Don't I river that? River that, don't I river that, river that, river that, river that, don't I river that. Hello, Agwan, me no feel tired, huh?
Me not tired neither.
You see me with just a truckle and you yapping. You see, you don't feel like you say we are move, but we are move. You move your friend.
Right, hold on. Right now, on my phone, I can't
Oh,
much calories in the body.
But look on the time. Now, say 11:46 when we just start the walk. What time now?
12:39.
You see, me not tell them, man. Me I tell you say at 2:01 we are reach back our yard. And we almost reach.
We up there with the calorie again.
1 hour basically we take. So yeah, she will put yapping. How much calories you burn? That's how much steps? 7,421 steps, 270 calories. What you mean?
Yeah.
What you
I'm
mean?
300 calories if you burn a day. And by the time I go out there, so I done it.
Yeah, by the time you reach a yard, because I say I still have to go back with me.
Yeah.
Pause. Burn up.
By the time I walk out the bed, I have 300 calories. Burn off 50 days.
Yes.
So if you do it every day, burn 3.
And how much steps then say if you do a day? 10,000? And you got 7,000? How much if you do? 6,000?
4,000.
4,000? Ah, you got long time. Long fucking time.
Jaja, because I have a full palm from man and I walk up and down. Oh, yeah, only thing me feel is now I work out.
Oh, I'm going to show them people that which part the Garlin they live, you know. Years they Garlin they live, you say in a chat. I'm showing them, wait man.
You want the ancestors they pass through.
No fuck. Oh fuck, the bloodline thick. Years, so me a lily boy. You see me chat? Alright, I'm showing the front here so. I don't know if you can see them, you know. But I this so they live. Riverside, because see river there near. River there down there so. I see them there. In there so. Now I said I can get a close up, I go and walk. Oh, sorry. Escúchame. Me go cut out the part, yeah. Me go cut out the part, yeah. You know how long me do that, the fucker there? No, man. You see we have burn calories, so you might have to go. Alright, so we get a closer look here. See them there? Yo, it's sun hot, I can't see phone screen, but I know I can't see them. Could they? If you fling one big stone in there, there's a high, there's an 80% chance they clot one of them.
Yeah, look how much in there.
A young one, me see. Could they? Nah, tell her. Ugly no mug, no socket, no plug, no drinks, no jug. Hear them?
Water, they want some, they want water in there.
Mama can carry water go in if they want water. Screenless them. The man at this way they live. Then lobby. Chat some reach home. You see it reach in. Me there say catch some breeze to cool down. You know? And after this, you know, we play to game, post to video, ray blah, all that jazz. So yeah, again chat, thank you so much for the 1K plus subscriptors. So yeah, watch the ads. Even though we don't have none yet, watch the ads. Yeah, because we broke our hungry, broke our papa rice, you know. Nah. So, in order to unpaparize me, I'm gonna do it right. Aye.